Yeah, hello friends. My name is Abiodun James. I'm into interior decoration. We also build and renovate. But now presently we are into installation of POP ceiling grids. Here is the one that we have done. This is my friends on scaffold, Mr. Olajide Akolade. I'm here with my friends. You can see our wall angle on the wall. We install this ceiling grid on decking. As you can see the decking. What we need to do is we shoot the nail into the decking, then we suspend down from the shooting nail down to the ceiling grid. As you can see, that's what all is ceiling. Mean the wire, the suspended wire, we suspend it down after we have shooting the decking. So we are going to suspend it down from the nail. As you can see, it's checking the square. When you are done with it, you need to check the square in order for the ball to be entered. That's the reason why it is checking the square. So the half cut, you wanted to cut the half cut now. That's how we do it. You can call us for a project. We give you the best. As you can see, he has fixed the half cuts. So he wanted to complete it over here. He wanted to complete the remaining area. That's what he's trying to do. So now we need to cut the mirror now because it's longer. As you can see, he has took the measurements. So he's cutting it now. Mr. Olajide, well done, sir. Yeah, as you can see. So he has to turn it. So let me show you how he's going to put the mirror now. How he's going to join the mirror now together. As you can see, he has already pulled the off cut with the mirror now. So that's the 4 feet. That's the 4 feet. That's the 4 feet. We have 4 feet, we have 2 feet, we have mirror runner, and we have wall angle. We use 4 items for suspended ceiling. For the suspended ceiling grease, that's 4 items. As you can see the angle. The 4 feet is on the wall angle and everything is plumb. See? You can call us for your projects. We'll give you the best. As you can see, that's 2 feet. That's 2 feet. That's 2 feet. That's 2 feet. So now you want to drop the board so you can see it. That's the board. That's the gold ceiling, imported ceiling. When everything is square, it will enter immediately. As you can see, it's perfectly done. When it's not perfectly done, the board will never enter. As you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks. Bye bye.